How to change wallpaper in IMO. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily customize it. First of all, open the application. So here, select the person or the people whom you want to customize. So here I'm tapping on one. Here on the right top, you can find this three dot icon. Simply tap on this three dot icon, and here there's a section called wallpaper. Simply tap on it. Now you can find different options and you can even customize it. So here you can find different colors that are available. Now simply tap on the one that you like. At last, you're on the right bottom, tap on the stick button and you're all set to go. Now the wallpaper has been enabled. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.